Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if your screen share on WhatsApp is not working. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, if your screen share is not working into WhatsApp while video calling, the first thing you have to do is to check if your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version or not. Now, if your WhatsApp is not updated to the latest version, just simply update your WhatsApp in the latest version whether you are using it on iOS or Android. Just simply do that. Now, if it still doesn't get solved, just simply tap to three dots and go to settings. From there, you just simply have to go into this help section and into help section click to this help center. From the help center, you will get this option of support into here. Click into that and then you can tell your problem into this box. Just simply write this into there, and after writing this, click to this next button. Then the message will send to the help center of WhatsApp, and then WhatsApp will review your request and send a link to contact the support. Just simply click into this link that WhatsApp sends you after reporting. Then after doing that, you can talk to support team. Then your problem will successfully be solved. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.